Hello happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to give you all some weekly updates on these beautiful press-on nails that I applied using polygel. If you all missed that tutorial, I will leave the full video and review and tutorial link down in the description box below so you can see the application of this set. But yeah, I'm going to hop into some weekly updates and then stay tuned to the end because I'm also going to show you all how to remove these press-on nails. So stay tuned. Okay, happy people, I'm back with a 1 week update. I just want to show you guys how the nails are holding up. So I did use my Milan peel off base coat for this set. So I normally get about 3 to 5 days worth of wear. The only difference with it when I applied it this time was I roughed up the surface of my nails. I did notice that it only got me that 3 to 5 days wear, which is fine because I'm ready to pop these off. But there is like lifting on most of the nails. Okay, so there's some lifting here, no lifting here, but I had to apply. This did pop off. I put it back on with some nail glue. Lifting here, severe lifting here. That's getting ready to pop right off. And minimal lifting on the thumb. Actually, the thumb isn't lifting at all, surprisingly enough. And then on this side, the thumb is lifting ever so slightly. These two nails popped off. I've had to reapply them with nail glue. So those don't have any lifting at the moment. Oh, actually, this one has a little bit of lifting. This one has severe lifting and minimal lifting. So I'm going to go ahead and use my nail debonder to remove my nails. Now, just the FYI, in one of my videos, I was told that I should put some of my nail debonder in a dropper bottle. And crazy enough, I actually filled up this little tiny bottle with my nail debonder and it evaporated into thin air. So I don't know that I would actually recommend putting it in a dropper bottle, at least not this type of dropper bottle. So that was pretty disappointing. I wasted like that much of my product, like half my product doing that. But I'm gonna just keep it in its original container for now. And all you need to do is take some of the product and just apply it to the nail. And this stuff I find works really good. So I'll take it to the nail and I'm just gonna apply it slightly underneath the nail as well. And that's how I'm gonna get these nails off. I'm gonna just pop them off with this. So yeah. Yeah, I really used up so much of my product with that dropper. Yeah, like right here. So with this product, you really just want to get it underneath the nail, and it really does make the nails just pop right on off. And I know this one over here, this one's pretty much ready to pop off, so I'm gonna just remove it like this. And there you go. This one's just about the same. Also, I like to take a little cuticle stick to help remove. And I just kind of come in and just break that seal over on the side. And then normally the nail will pop right off. But here, just break that seal. See here, right here. That popped right off. And just applying it here. That popped right off. Get it over here, break the seal, pops off. Break that seal, pops off. This one, I didn't get any lifting on this one. So I'll have to put some more product underneath here to get it to pop off. Okay. This hand is off. See about this one here. Quick and easy. You do a little bit more on this one. Alrighty, so all the nails are taken off. All I'm gonna do is take a little bit of acetone and wipe it on the entire nail, like so. Okay, happy people, so here I'm just using that acetone to remove any of that sticky layer that may still be remaining from the peel off base coat. And here I got a little bit of polygel that had gotten underneath the cuticle area, so I'm just kind of picking at that so I can wipe that away with the acetone as well. But yeah, I do this to both fingers, and then I'll go in with some cuticle oil. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna apply some cuticle oil to all of my nails, and we're gonna be all done. And I apply it to my cuticle as well as the nail bed itself. Make sure it's nice and hydrated. Alrighty, so this is what the nails are looking like after it's been removed. So yeah, I really love that nail debonder, and I've really been enjoying my nail couture products. So I highly recommend this method of applying nails. I definitely think that it would have lasted a lot longer if I had to actually, you know, prep my nail with primer, dehydrator, and then went in with application. But again, I really just wanted to wear it for about a week just to, you know, get and enjoy that look. I thought this this combination together looked so gorgeous and so beautiful, you know, and I got tons of compliments on my nails when I had them on as well. So yeah, and the cool thing about this too is if you wanted to, you could just always use this again as a press-on nail, right? Again, I do have a dedicated playlist that show you guys how to apply press-on nails using different mediums, so I'm going to leave that dedicated playlist down in the description box below, along with all of my other Nail Couture unboxings and all of my scoops, any other nail sets I've done using Nail Couture products. I'll leave it down in the description box below as well. But yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.